Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful two-family residence for sale. It is located at South Lucine Avenue in Constant Spring. It comes with floor space of approximately 2,800 square feet and sits on 0.14 acre of land. It features 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, making it the perfect investment or family home. There are two sections, and the layout is as follows. Section 1 has living and dining, remodeled kitchen, primary bedroom with walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom, two other bedrooms sharing a bathroom, plus an additional room which can be used as a study. Section 2 comprises of living and dining, kitchen, 2 bedrooms sharing a bathroom with laundry room, veranda and carport. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Schedule a call today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 70 million, US 443.6 thousand, Canadian 635,000, Euro 407.5 thousand, or 344.8 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.